Is HSK9, Radio Thailand World Service, broadcasting from Bangkok for listeners in Asia and the Pacific, the Middle East and Africa, Europe and America. It is now time for our broadcast in English for listeners in Europe.
This is Radio Thailand News.
สวัสดีค่ะ Today is Tuesday, July 10th of 2018, and this is Radio Thailand News Hour, and you're with me, Sandrahan Utsaha.
And with me, Chawarajinjarnon.
Starting off our national news. The Prime Minister promises quick help for the remaining youngsters in Luang Cave and those missing from a capsized boat in Phuket province. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Commerce is set to investigate the two operators of the capsized tour boat. And on the business agenda, Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Somkit Jatusipitak urges agencies to implement the government's policies before the election.
All those top headlines and many more coming up.
National News.
Let's now have a look at today's national stories. First up, Prime Minister General Prayut Chan-o-cha has promised quick help for the remaining youth soccer players in Luang Cave, while also wishing well those still missing after a boat capsized in Phuket province. The Prime Minister remarked that authorities are working as fast as possible to retrieve the remaining members of Academy football team from Luang Cave in Chiang Rai province.